everybody. Sorry I look like I was crying. I was. We're putting my cat down tomorrow and that's all I thought about the whole time driving here. So don't mind me. Me doing this keeps my mind busy. But anyways, we are at CVS and this is one of the final times I'm gonna be at CVS. I'm gonna maybe coupon once or twice. It all depends on the deals. But CVS to me hasn't been the greatest the last several months. I know a lot of you guys have mentioned that it's just not the same with the CRTs. I'm constantly getting the same CRTs every single week. And like they want you to spend like $100 to get like $5 off, and it's just not the same. They don't give you as good digital coupons like Walgreens has. But I hate to say it. I hate to say goodbye. Like I really do. But for my future of my channel and my health and all that stuff, it is better for me to walk away from CVS. So I plan on doing some couponing deals, and then I plan on using all my extra care bucks. I'm going to use them all up today, so you guys will have to see what I get. I will need to cancel my care pass. It doesn't renew till like the 18th, so I plan on calling tomorrow if I can cancel it. But I'm just gonna completely walk away from CVS, and I might come back to it later on if it starts getting better. But as of now, for the next couple months, I'm just gonna take a break from CVS and maybe come back to it this summer or something like that. And if you guys watch my vlogs, you'll understand totally a lot more reason why I'm giving up CVS. But I just don't find it fun anymore. I don't get excited, and I do more work than anything. So I'm excited to go inside and share with you guys some deals that I will be getting. So let's see what I can get for my final haul at CVS. So here we have some speed stick for $3.89. That is currently buy one, get one 50% off. You would end up paying $5.83, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making it $3.88 or just $1.91. So here we have the little baby bottles of the Poly Grip for $2.89. When you guys buy 2 of the products, you will end up paying just $5.83, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making both of them just 78 cents or 39 cents each. So here we have the Kotex pads or liners that you can do this deal for. The digital coupon only works for the pads or the liners, but we currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you're going to use, so you'll end up paying just $5 for the 2 of them. But then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you get $2 back off of 2, making them just $3 or $1.50 each. So I price checked the Claire's Christmas, and these are pretty much all ringing up just $2. So if you guys are eyeing up something, these little books are coming up for $2. Also this stuff, so great thing to get if you need some gifts for next year, possibly if you have the space for them. So here's a deal that I'm gonna do. My store only has one of the little critters in the smaller bottles. These are $9.29, but they're buy one get one 50% off. Then I actually have a $2 off digital coupon for that little critters. But then I'm also gonna get 2 of these Vitafusions. I'm actually gonna get the melatonin gummies. So then I'm also gonna I'm gonna get the melatonin gummies. I'm gonna also use the 10 off of 2 digital coupons. So I'm gonna use these 2 coupons, so I'll have $12 in savings. I will end up paying $25.02 for 2 things of the melatonin gummies and 1 of the little critters. I will get $10 back for spending $30, and then I also will get $2.50 times 3 back with Ibotta, so that is $7.50 that I will get back from Ibotta, making it just $7.52. I also that are $7.52 or just $2.50 each. I have a spend 40 get $8 off, so this ends up becoming literally almost a freebie for me, so pretty excited for that deal. Hello everybody, I am back from CVS. Yes, sad thing is I had 2 things that were really sad. Number 1, none of the employees that I know were there today. They had a new kid or some, I don't know how long he's been there for, but I've never had to deal with him. So it was so sad. I never got to say goodbye to any of the employees that I've dealt with for like the last couple years. So that was kind of sad. And the second thing is I forgot my purse, you guys. So I snuck out of the house to go, and my daughter's like super attached to me lately. So I snuck out of the house, did all my shopping, and I wear a backpack. I wear a Loungefly backpack. I get to the register, and my husband wanted me to get him a lottery ticket, and I'm like, crap, I don't have my purse. So luckily I had some cash in my car. So that sucks, but I always pay with my gift cards. So I'm like, thankfully I had my gift cards, but I'm like, you guys, I forgot my freaking purse. Like, Jennifer, it's time, it's time. So the first deal I got was the Kotex pads. I really wanted to get the tampons, but that shortage is just really screwing us over, and it sucks. Like I was, you know, I'm like, I used to be loving like getting feminine care products, and now it's like that stuff is expensive. It is expensive now to get feminine care products, and then we can't even use coupons, half of them, because of the shortage and everything. But yeah, so these were 2 for $8. I had a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. You would end up paying $5 for this, but then there is that 2 off a 2 coupon or Ibotta deal, making these just $3 or $1.50 each. So I ended up getting that. I also got the 2 Vitafusion Melatonins. So this is, oh, it's peach. I didn't know what flavor it was, but it looks like it's a peach. So these were $18.49 at buy one get one 50% off. I used the 10 off of 2 digital coupon, and then I also got the little critters. These were $9.29, and I used a $2 off digital coupon. So you'd pay $25.02 for all 3 of these, but then you get a $10 extra care back, and you get $7.50 back with Ibotta, making this $7.52 or just about $2.50 each. Now I had a spend 40, get $8 off, so I ended up using that along with my purchase, and then I also had a $2 off anything, so that was nice getting that. I ended up getting these little baby poly grips, and you guys can do this deal twice. It actually shows that you can do this deal twice. But these were $2.89. You would buy 2 of them, pay $5.78. You get a $5 extra care buck back, making them just 78 cents or 39 cents each if you guys need to go ahead and do that. And then I did the Speed Stick deal. The Speed Stick was these were, I can't remember. I just wrote $5.83. I think they were buy one, get one 50% off at 3 something. But then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making it $3.83 or just $1.91 each. So I just got that. But yeah, like for me, I don't know how long I was there for, maybe a little bit in an hour. A lot of the tags were still not up. Because there's only 1 employee working all day today, which I feel sorry for him. But I know how it is being short-staffed. I used to work retail for almost 20 years. I know how it is. But I did that. Yeah, I did that. I did get this. For all that stuff, it came to $0. I ended up getting $9.50 back with Ibotta. I did receive $17 back with extra care bucks. And I ended up using $31.63 of extra care bucks. So it all came out to be just $5.13. I got 9 items at $5.13. So I think that's a pretty good deal. And then I went back and bought like some clearance stuff, and I used up all of my extra care bucks, everything, because I am done with CVS. But I ended up getting a couple things. I ended up getting this game called the Movie Quiz. Now I couldn't see what it is, but if you guys know me, I am obsessed with movies, and I thought this would be a cute little game to play. So these were $4.99, and I got them for 50% off. So $2.49 each. And then I got a little notebook. This was originally $12.99, and I got it on clearance for $2. And then I got a pair of barrettes that I'm going to give Charlotte for next year, or I'm going to hang on to them and save them for Christmas next year. But I thought these were cute. These were also $2. So all the Claire products are $2. Now, from what I noticed with the Halloween, when the Halloween stuff went down to like 90% off, the Claire stuff was still $2. So if you guys are eyeing up Claire items, get it now before you regret it. I know a couple of you guys told me that Llewellyn wanted those skeleton earrings for Halloween, and my store still had some. So thankfully my store still had some the second time I went around. But if you guys see something, grab them while you can, especially at the $2 price. But it was fun shopping at CVS. I'm not fully gone. If I can get some hot deals here and there, I might do it. But for now, I'm just going to take a break, especially for the next 4 to 5 months, because I am extremely busy with my Etsy shop. I currently have 21 Etsy orders that I need to mail out in the next couple days, and it just doesn't stop from there. So I just want to say thank you guys, and I will catch you guys soon. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my other channel if you want other money-saving deals. I'm going to try to share with you guys a lot more stuff than just couponing, but other things like organizing and helping people out and all that fun stuff. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.